In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a table on the Outlook application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Outlook application on your PC or desktop. If you have that, that will be great. But if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open any browser you are currently using on your desktop PC. Once you did that, you will need to go to the URL section and type a download Outlook, and then hit the enter button, open the first link and start downloading it. Of course, it will be pretty easy, but because it will be like any other application download, you must have been already downloaded something in your PC before. So just follow the instructions of any other download. It will be pretty simple. And once it's downloaded, you will need to go and install it, then open it up. Once you did that, they will ask you to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and create one from there if you have the option to. But if you don't, you will need to go to their website and create one. Once you did that, log into your account, and you will find yourself here with this home screen or this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to, or I would like to insert a table on the Outlook application. So of course, if you want to do that, all I need to do is just to go and create a new email as an example. And we'd like to ignore now this from to CC subjects. We are not interested by that. And go here to the reply, start typing reply. And once you want to insert a table, just go here to the insert button and or option here at the top. And as you can see, you will find the table option. Click on it and insert the table that you want. Let's say as an example, I want a 3-7 table, or 2-8. Click on it, and as you can see, you'll be able even to select it or resize it however you want. And of course, you'll be able to start typing on it whatever you want as well. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.